Today we are going to be fixing these two threads and installing these helicoils. And we're going to be sticking to the original screw. So we should probably get started.
Okay. So first we need to drill 6.3 millimeter. Okay, so we drilled the two holes, 6.3 millimeters, and now we need to tap the holes with the tapper. Okay, so we are tapping the thread, which is the preparation for the helicoil. After every half spin or a spin, you need to go back a spin to clean all the small particles from the inside. We need it a little bit deeper. Okay, so we finished tapping the new threads as preparation for the helicoils in the part. We cleaned it with compressed air and with some carb cleaner to remove all the oil. And soon we will start to install the helicoils with some Loctite.
Now my dad will put the helicoil in.
Okay, so one we already installed, and we need to install the second one. So we are taking the tool for installing the helicoil. We are putting the helicoil on it and putting a little bit of Loctite. Not too much. And like a normal screw, we are putting it in place. It's very important that all the helicoil will be completely inside. That's it. Once it's all inside, you take this one, you put it inside, yeah, that's it. So once we install the helicoils, we can keep the original bolts and we don't need to change them. And probably it's even much stronger thread than it was before when it was directly on the aluminum. That's it. That's how you do helicoil.